am K. Limbadri, Assistant Professor. In this video, I am going to present imperfections in solids. Let us start now. So, the topic is imperfections in solids. Okay. Imperfections in solids. Let us understand with some basics. So the topic is imperfections in solids. So before understanding the imperfections in solid, let us understand first what is perfect solid. Okay. So now if we have a solid like this kind of nut, okay, now if the atoms in this material are arranged periodically, okay, now the arrangement is proper and it is a periodic, okay, now without missing any atom or any other foreign atoms, any inclusions, nothing, okay, now so this kind of material, this kind of arrangement of atoms in this material, if this kind of arrangement of atoms are present in this material, then that is called perfect solids, okay, now that is called perfect solid. Perfect solid. Okay, now if there is a perfect solid, then the atoms are arranged periodically as shown in this figure. Now if I want to join the center of the atoms like as shown in this figure, like this cube, okay, center of the atoms, if I join that one, then this is called unit cell, and these end points, these points are called lattice points. These are called lattice points. It means in this proper arrangement, if I join the centers of all these atoms, then I will get a lattice. Okay, na? Lattice is nothing but those are the imaginary points where I can insert the atoms. Okay, now those are called lattice points. Okay, now we can see in this let us say this figure is A and this figure is B and this figure is C, this C figure. So in this figure you can see the atoms are arranged, atoms are placed at the lattice points. This is lattice point. Okay, this is lattice point. Now this is an atom. Okay, now so this kind of arrangement of atoms is called perfect solid. Okay, so now I can also represent this arrangement of atoms in 2D. So this is the 2D representation, okay, of this perfect solid. Okay, but in reality the materials are imperfect. The solids are imperfect. Okay, now, and how many types of imperfections are existed in the material? There are point defects, line defects, surface defects, and volume defects. Okay, today we will try to understand this point defects. These point defects. Okay. Now I am going to explain these point defects with the help of this perfect lattice represented in 2D. This one. With the help of this, I am going to explain these point defects. Okay. Now let us see. So first type of defects are point defects. Point defects. Let us say this is a perfect lattice, perfect solid. Okay now. Now, if any atom is missing in this arrangement, let us say suppose this atom is not there. This atom is missed. This atom is not there. Then this kind of defect is called vacancy defect. Okay, vacancy defect. Vacancy defect. Okay. Now, suppose we are having this perfect lattice, perfect solid, perfect crystal, and the space between these atoms, this is called interstitial site or interstitial void. This is called interstitial site, interstitial void. Okay. Now, if any foreign atom enters into this interstitial void, okay, now like this, suppose here some foreign atom is there. Okay. Now, if these foreign atoms enters into this interstitial site, okay now, then this kind of defect, we call it as a interstitial defect. We call it as a interstitial defect. So this defect is called interstitial defect. Interstitial defect in the solid. Okay. So this is a second kind of or B point defect. Okay. Now let us say this is a perfect solid or it is a perfect atoms are there arranged properly. Okay. Suppose if some atom is missed, let us say from here one atom is missed like this, and then the space is occupied by some other foreign atom. Okay, now some other foreign atom like this. Okay. So what it is doing basically, it is substituting the parent atom. Okay, it is substituting the parent atom. So this kind of defect is called substitutional defect. Okay, this kind of defect is called substitutional defect. Let us say we write here substitutional defect. Okay. Now let us see other defects. Let us say we have this perfect solid, perfect atoms arrangement is there. Now suppose one parent atom, one atom like this atom, let us say this atom is enters into the interstitial of this material, means this atom has come and it is entered into, let us say, this place, interstitial site. This is interstitial site, right? Now if this atom is from here and it has come to this interstitial site, let us say how it looks. We will do that one. Let us say, and this atom enters into this interstitial site, let us say. Okay, so this kind of defect is called Frenkel defect. Okay, what is the defect name? Frenkel defect. These are point defects. Okay. Now sometimes what happens in the material, there will be positive ions and negative ions. Okay, now let us see that. Let us say this is a perfect solid. Okay, and having, let us say this is a positive ion and this is a negative ion. Okay, cation and anion. Now if any cation is missed in the solid, any cation is missed in this lattice, let us say like this, if one cation is missed here. Okay, now to balance the charge, automatically one anion in the material will be disappear. Okay, so this will be disappear. One anion will be disappear. Okay, let's say this is disappear. It will happen automatically. Okay, now so this kind of defect, it is not a vacancy defect. Okay, now this kind of defect we call it as a Schottky defect. Okay, now so this kind of defect is called Schottky defect. Schottky defect. Okay. I hope you understood the point defects nicely. Thank you very much for listening. We will see in the next video. Thank you.